Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to sell Ethereum Meta on your Coinbase wallet. So make sure to follow this process step by step, and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. So first of all, open the application called wallet, like the Coinbase wallet, and once you open the application, let it load, and you will be seeing this kind of interface, or like this kind of interface, like the home section of Coinbase wallet. And from here, like let's say you have the Ethereum Meta into your wallet, so from here you can just click on the wallet, and from here you can just click on buy, or you just want to cash out, so just click on cash out, continue. And once you click on continue, you will be seeing this kind of interface, like this is the interface sell crypto. And from here you can just select the currency. Let's say you want to sell the Ethereum, you can just click on Ethereum. And once you click on Ethereum, you just select the currency that you want to buy as well. So make sure to let's say that, like, this is the currency I want to buy, and this is the Ethereum that I want to sell. And from here you can just enter the amount of the Ethereum that you want to buy. Let's say I want to sell 100 Ethereum, and as I do not have any kind of like crypto in my network, so I'm not able to do it. So you can just enter the amount of crypto, select the currency that you want to receive payment in, and just click on receive Ethereum. And once you click on sell Ethereum, and once you click on sell Ethereum, you will be able to sell the Ethereum Meta on Coinbase wallet. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.